Before we do anything with attaching this, we want to line it up and make sure that it's going to fit. That looks pretty good. Nice. All right, we can attach it. So now, if it was me, because I have the tools, I would use a pin nailer and a finish gun to nail this trim in. But you might not have a lot of tools. So this is what I'm going to use. Some finish nails. You could probably get away with just using 1.5 inches. I'm going to use this into the jamb and this into the wall. So you can see these nails are out a little bit, and what you could use is a nail set, but you might not have one of those. But what you do have is the nails that you're nailing these in with. So you can use one of those. You might end up bending it a little bit, but you should be able to set the nails with a nail. You want it just past the surface. Kind of like that. Same thing with this one. This one might be a little trickier. Nice.